ITC Power, started in Europe and dedicated to diesel generators for 20 years. Our industrial diesel generator production line mainly produces 9 to 2000 kVA diesel generators as well as light towers and external fuel tanks. In order to ensure the quality, each of our machines is strictly controlled by quality inspectors and engineers. The two portable generator production lines mainly produce silent generators, open frame generators and inverter generators. From the shell, we are strict with ourselves to do every detail, and we test each machine to ensure the quality. The automated diesel engine production line not only has strict technical specifications, but also each machine is tested and inspected to ensure the reliability and stability of the machine. We with many certifications such as CE, ISO 9001, UKCET and so on. We have a professional R&D team and QC team. In addition to meeting the various needs of regular customers, we are also constantly developing new products. They have strong research and development capabilities, which support our dealers to maintain market leadership. ITC Power operates in 5 continents and more than 50 countries, and has rich experience in the international market. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with third-party professional distributors and hypermarkets.
ITC Power. Empower your business.